Good evening and welcome to Law Talk. Tonight, we have 3 subjects rolled into one for your entertainment. Space treaties, space real estate, and an assortment of entertainment for your viewing tonight. Mr. Martin.
So tonight we want to talk about space treaties, space junk, and why don't you lead off and talk about space law a little bit?
The 2 things that I would tell you about space law are every time you put a satellite up, when you fire the satellite, when you put a satellite up and you have, first let's imagine that you have the Earth and the Earth is here in a sphere and it's rotating. And just to have a clear picture, you have the Earth turning around and what happens is that, well, let's back up for a second. When you put a satellite up,
But let's say, you're a space station up there and satellites coming towards you. Don't you have to kind of dodge it? And how would you do that?
well, let's back up for a second. When you put a satellite up, you have the Earth rotating. It goes over the North Pole, goes around, back around the South Pole, from the North Pole to the South Pole, to the North Pole to the South Pole. And those satellites are moving very fast, and it's going around. If you launch a satellite, and the Earth is rotating at 65 degrees, but that's enough so that as the Earth turns under it, eventually gets pictures of all the Earth. So they launched this spy satellite. There's a piece of space junk. What are you going to do? You put a satellite up and have it rotate.
Mark, I think we should come back to this at a different time because I think we barely scratched the surface of this.
It's just in a different location and some different rules and stuff. But you got to get up there.
This is a very stimulating conversation.
Thank you.
Good night.